Jesus is sending out the apostles to preach the good news of God's kingdom and to heal the sick. In Luke chapter 9 verse 3 to 5 states, what we do need to have is the knowledge of the reasons for our faith. Jesus is sending out the apostles to preach the good news of God's kingdom and to heal the sick. But he told them to take nothing with them. What he is saying is that he will be with them so they don't need anything else. We too have been sent by virtue of our baptism to preach the good news. And we have everything we need because Jesus is with us. There's a tradition that St. Francis of Assisi said that we should preach everywhere, and if necessary, use words in other words, our actions should speak for us. This passage also tells us that not everyone will be receptive to our message, but that's not our concern. We are only changed with the preaching. That we do need to have is the knowledge of the reasons for our faith. It is one thing to talk about salvation, but others want to know why they should believe. They want to know why it's important to those of us who are Christians. If it's just so that we can get to heaven, I'm not sure that's enough. It wouldn't be for me. To know how Jesus has revealed himself in the ordinary of your days is it's much more powerful. To learn how our faith has supported us in our darkest days and has brightened up our good days. Well, let them understand why God has a part in our life now. God has a part in our life now. Not just after we die. Think about the reason for your faith so that you will